Okay, my closing remark, you know I have three of them. First one, facilitating our project meetings. If you want to truly be a project coordinator, or if you're already a current project coordinator, being able to really lead a meeting is really going to be helpful, just not for assisting the project manager, but also for your career as you make the next step in that progression of being a project manager. So, being able, like I talked about, to put together what is the purpose of the meeting, what is the outcomes we're trying to get from the meeting, even having an agenda, and then taking the minutes from the meeting, meaning taking the points of documenting action items, documenting what we discussed, and being able to articulate that out via email, via however your team wants it to be. May even be uploaded to a SharePoint, a share file. I've seen it so many different ways. If that's the case, family, being able to have that conversation is going to be key for you. Point number two: communicate project status to stakeholders.